In the previous class, we have seen the working of N-channel depletion MOSFET. In today, we'll see uh, construction, working, and of N-channel enhancement MOSFET. As we already discussed, the difference between the N-channel and the N-channel depletion MOSFET and N-channel enhancement MOSFET. The difference between the enhancement and depletion type of MOSFET is, in depletion type there will be a channel present between source and drain. Here channel will be there, but in enhancement type channel will be absent. And regarding the construction, almost the construction of the depletion type and enhancement type is same, except there will be channel absent in the enhancement type. In depletion type, channel will be present between source and drain. Now here a p-type substrate is taken for an N-channel. In order to design an N-channel, p-type substrate is taken. Substrate is a foundation for the on which the device is constructed. Here two N-type materials are there. Two N-type materials are induced here, and a metal contact is made, and these contacts are drain and source, and also a gate terminal is connected. Now here channel is not present. Now always we know that the substrate and the source are connected, internally connected. Now let us understand the working of N-channel MOSFET for different cases. Let us take the first case. VGS is equal to 0. Therefore this is 0. This VGS is equal to 0 is nothing but it is a short connected between here. This is a short connected here, and VDS is a positive voltage. Therefore between D and S will take a positive voltage, which is nothing but positive here, and the negative terminal is connected to the source. Since there is no channel present in between source and drain, there will be no current. The channel is absent, there will be no current flowing through the MOSFET. Now let us understand the second case where VGS is taken positive and VDS is also positive. Therefore let us connect a positive voltage here. VGS is positive and also VDS is positive. Since these positive electrons which are minority charge carriers here in P substrate, electrons which are minority charge carriers get attracted towards the positive terminal of the gate and get accumulated here. Electrons will get accumulated here, but it cannot further pass to the gate because here insulating material is present. It cannot pass to the gate connect to they get accumulated here, and this forms a channel here. Here also, because of this VDS, there will be a depletion layer and a channel is formed here. Now the electrons which are here present in this here channel is enhanced here. The electrons which now passes from source to drain and get attracted to the positive terminal of VDS, and there will be a current flowing in the device. Therefore ID increases. Now let us see here. Now VGS versus ID. When VGS is 0, there is no current flowing. When you increase the VGS to a positive voltage, after some voltage, the current starts increasing because of the channel formation. There will be current starts increasing. For what value of this voltage the current starts increasing, that voltage is called threshold voltage. This voltage is called threshold voltage, where threshold voltage is the minimum voltage connected across the gate so that MOSFET starts conducting, is called threshold voltage. Now let us take the second case where we take a VGS value which is also positive, but this value is greater than the threshold minimum voltage. It is more than the minimum voltage. What happens if we take more than the minimum voltage? And we'll set this as a constant voltage. VGS is a constant voltage, and which is more than the threshold value, and also will increase VDS. What happens now? ID also increases, because here if we increase VGS, more electrons get accumulated, more electrons will be there in the channel, even current increases. Even when VDS increases, current increases. Also the depletion layer increases. The depletion layer across this one increases. At some voltage of positive voltage of VDS, there will be channel almost, the channel becomes almost negative because of the almost narrow because of this depletion layer. It keeps on increasing if we increase the VDS, and the current ID becomes constant. Further it will not increase. Now let us understand the characteristics, drain characteristics of MOSFET, VDS versus ID. Now we know that because for some, after the threshold voltage there will be a channel created here, and VGS, let us say like VGS is equal to some 2 volts. We have taken some 2 volts. Now a channel will be the channel, and which is assume that this is above the threshold voltage, and there will be a channel present, and the current will start flowing from here. Electrons will move from source to drain, and there will be because of flow of electrons there will be a current flowing in the drain. That is nothing but current. Let us say this is the graph we got. Now let us say that VGS is made 2.5 and it is made constant, and VDS is start increasing. VDS is increasing. If we increase for some voltage, it will be keep on more current will be there. It will be at higher level because more VGS means more electrons get accumulated near the gate because of the positive voltage more, therefore it will be at increased level. After some voltage of VDS, the current becomes constant. Here you will get like this. Here in this case we don't take VGS as a negative. VGS as negative will not take, because if we take, what happens if we take instead of VGS positive voltage, if we take negative voltage, let us assume that we have taken negative voltage. If we take negative voltage here, electrons here will get repelled and no channel will be formed. If no channel is formed, there will be no current flowing from source to drain, therefore there will be no current. That's why we'll only take the case VGS is equal to 0, also there will be no current, and VGS is positive voltage above threshold, and VGS is keeps on increasing, and we'll just check the characteristics. And this characteristics of the MOSFET is called drain characteristics. Thank you.